Hey friends, are you ready? Welcome to my channel, Fun Strawberry.
Farm animal alphabets. A. A is for alpaca. Alpaca. B. B is for buffalo. Buffalo. C. C is for chicken. Chicken. D. D is for donkey. Donkey. E. E is for emu. Emu. F. F is for ferret. Ferret. G. G is for goat. Goat. H. H is for horse. Horse. I. I is for Indian runner duck. J is for Jersey cow. Jersey cow. K. K is for kid. Kid. L. L is for llama. Llama. M. M is for mule. Mule. N. N is for Nubian goat. Nubian goat. O. O is for ox. Ox. P. P is for pig. Pig. Q. Q is for quail. Quail. R. R is for rooster. Rooster. S. S is for sheep. Sheep. T. T is for turkey. Turkey. U. U is for upland goose. Upland goose. V. V is for Vietnam pot-belly pig. Vietnam pig. W. W is for water buffalo. Water buffalo. X. X is for Xerus. Xerus. Y. Y is for yak. Yak. Z. Z for zebu. Zebu. Thanks for watching, kids.